Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to knit simple discrete borders that will give our squares a neat and finished look. I will guide you through each step of the process. The knitting pattern for rows 2, 4, and 6 is the same, while the pattern for rows 3 and 5 is also identical. We are starting from the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 3. Again. Yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 3. Rows 2, 4, 6 are on the right side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is knit the loop with the 2 yarn over stitches together through the back. And knit 3. Again. Knit 3 together. And knit 3. Rows 3 and 5 are on the wrong side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 3. Again. Yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, purl 3. This discreet charm will look good on both women's and men's sweaters and blouses. This knitting pattern can be used in both winter and summer seasons. The sample swatch you see is knitted with thick 100% wool yarn. It would be a good idea to use for your knitting project a fine cotton yarn, similar to the one in this swatch. I hope I was helpful to you. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.